Hello, today's the 7th of April. Ended up stopping over at Dairy Queen. Picked up a signature stack burger. So a double burger with cheese and then ketchup on it. It's got cheddar cheese and white cheddar on it. Picked up fries. Let's try the fries first. Cold. So, like I say, I got this to go, went to the store, ended up standing at the counter for about 5 minutes. People were there, didn't even acknowledge me, kept their eyes down so they don't want to talk to me. But eventually I got there. So I saw the fries were sitting out cold, so not a surprise that it's cold. So this is the Dairy Queen in Livonia, Michigan. So they look kind of cranky there. Not exactly the happiest people, but all right, we'll try the food. Here's the burger. So again, 2 different types of cheeses on it. You can see the normal cheddar, white cheddar, decent amount of ketchup on it. Let's give it a try. This is supposed to be a 1/3 pound total. Oops. Not the best burger. Way too dry. Yeah, that signature stack burger, I definitely would not get that again. But I did pick up a confetti cake blizzard, so that looked interesting. Granted, Dairy Queen is known for their ice cream, not necessarily their food. Although I've gone to a couple other Dairy Queens the food was really good. That's down in Warner Robins, Georgia, and Utica, Michigan. But so far, not impressed by this Livonia, Michigan location. So confetti cake, blizzard, let's see. Not impressed by this one. I was expecting a little more. I've had cake batter shakes. Just yesterday I had one from Buckaroo's. This is not so good. So all in all, pretty disappointed with this this go around. Probably won't go to this Dairy Queen, at least for food. Probably not their blizzard. This is the Livonia one, so not too impressed by this one. People weren't friendly. At least they could have said, hey, hello, but no, not so much. But that's that. Dairy Queen, confetti, blizzard, burger, and the fries are pretty nasty. So, all right, have a great day and bon appetit. Bye.